Let's see how to add bend text effect in Canva. So let's start with create a design. And for this example, I want to use the whiteboard in order to have free reign. So in order to bend text, first we need to go to the left-hand side and click on text. Then for this example, let's choose add a heading and let's type any text you want. So how to bend text in Canva. So if you want to bend this text, all we need to do is click on it, go here on the top side toolbar, click on effects, and as you can see, we have different styles we can add to the text. We can add shadows, can splice it. So for this example, I want none, and we go here to the bottom side in shape. Let's click on curve. As you can see, it's now curved. But if you want to increase the curve, all we need to do is drag the slider to the right. Or if you want to decrease it, let's put it here in the middle. Or if you want to bend it the other way, drag it the other way. So I want to make a circle out of this. Just like that. And that's it. That's how to bend text in Canva. See you soon.